Imagine waking up tomorrow to discover someone else is living your life. They're using your credit cards, applying for loans in your name, and even committing crimes as you. This isn't a movie plot. It's the reality of identity theft that destroys thousands of lives each year. But here's what most identity protection guides won't tell you. The solution isn't just about stronger passwords. It's about protecting the digital footprints you leave everywhere online. Today, I'm giving you a practical identity theft prevention system that works while you sleep. By the end, you'll have a clear action plan to make your digital identity virtually theft-proof. True online identity protection starts with making your accounts unbreakable. Two-factor authentication isn't optional anymore. It's your digital seatbelt. Every important account needs this extra layer of cybersecurity. Enable two-factor authentication everywhere, especially email and financial accounts. This single step blocks 99% of automated identity fraud attempts. Every piece of personal information you share online is another key that hackers can use. Data protection means practicing information minimalism. Stop filling out unnecessary forms and sharing personal details on social media. Personal data security requires asking why do they need this before giving out any information. Your mother's maiden name, birth date, and pet names are security keys, not social conversation. Financial security depends on catching problems early. Set up credit monitoring and bank alerts for any unusual activity. Free services can notify you within minutes of suspicious transactions. Identity monitoring services act like a security camera for your financial life. They watch for personal information exposure on the dark web and alert you before damage occurs. The most advanced digital security can be undone by one moment of human error. Social engineering prevention means developing healthy skepticism about unsolicited calls and emails. Never give personal information to incoming calls. Always call back using official numbers. This simple identity theft prevention habit stops most social engineering attacks. Even with perfect identity protection, you need a what-if plan. Save the identity theft hotline number, know which credit bureaus to contact first, and keep digital copies of important documents secure. Online security isn't about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. Having a response plan reduces recovery time from months to days. Let's consolidate your identity security action plan. Fortify your accounts with two-factor authentication, minimize shared information, implement active monitoring, develop skeptical habits, and have a response plan ready. You now have a comprehensive data breach protection system that works 24/7. Remember, preventing identity theft is significantly easier than recovering from it. In our next crucial video, we tackle Is your phone spying on you? Where I'll reveal the shocking ways your mobile device compromises your security and exactly how to lock it down. Your digital identity is your most valuable asset. Protect it wisely. Subscribe now and never miss these essential security updates.